What is up, guys? And I'm going to be showing you guys Animal Company. Whoa! Alright, I'm going to be showing you Animal Company. I've played this game before. Yeah, that's how much money I got. And so today we're going to be exploring most of the things that I know so far. Just buy this backpack. Do I buy anything with the backpack? Just in case, if something comes to attack us. Okay, let's go. Alright. So, first thing we're gonna do is where there's like a dog. I call it a dog. And it also looks like from that plant, like those chompers from Mario Kart. It reminds me of that, because when it wakes up, when it wakes up, it's scary. See that thing? There's an egg under him, which is $200. I'm gonna need that. And then look, when I get close, he doesn't do nothing. He just growls, right? But when I get way too close, a rocket. Oh, okay, I thought I had it lost. Alright, I'm gonna hold my rocket in my hand. So look, I'm collecting all the supplies. Oh shoot. Bro, get in there. W's. Alright. So A is to drop it. And then this rocket is really cool. Makes you go flying. You see this giant banana? It gives you some giant arm. Like, bro. Like, look. I drop it, hold it from there. Bro. Alright. Like, it looks like this can't fit in there, right? Bro, what? What is that? I'm sorry! Should I wake him up? Okay, if I'm gonna wake him up, I'm gonna need my backpack. So if I wake him up, like that, I go up here, get the egg. No, I accidentally clicked the drop button, not the use button. It's not working. It didn't work. Chat, I was almost cooked right there. It was almost RIP for me. Right then and there. I took Bro's egg. Bozo! Now should I get the other stuff? He can't come over here. Yeah, we're good. Alright. So, now, where I go, alright. And then this is a radio. This thing is a radio. It's real cool. Oh. Yeah, this thing makes some weird noises. So if you ever decide to play Animal Company, just don't get close to it. Alright. See how much money we're gonna make. See this machine? Selling machine. Boom. Oh my goodness. Boom. Alright. Next up. I'm gonna show you all the items. There's a flashlight, crowbar, a grenade. I want to show you something cool with the grenade, but it's gonna be a lot of money to buy a grenade. A rocket, a tablet, a flashlight, a giant one. This one gives so much more light, and a shotgun, which is the most expensive. And there's bullets for it. And then there's also different colors. Backpack. Yeah. Alright. Now we're gonna go. Oh yeah, if you guys were wondering what this is, if you saw it or not, let me show you. See, that looks so cool. I tried going to it, right? Bruh, I die. I can maybe wall run that, but like, I'm gonna need some insane skills. I'll try. But I don't even know how I'm supposed to make that jump. Oh, there's another one of them boxes right there. See? I can't even make that jump. So I'm gonna need to do it from like here. Oh, nah, bro, we're cut. Oh. It's basically like impossible to go to the other side unless you're like TTT Pig or like a really good player. Like Sava, he could do that probably. Alright. Okay, let's go. Next up is over here. Oh, yeah, don't step on that. Step on that, you're dead. So, what I found over here is really nothing. Like, it looks all creepy and all that, right? Once you go down, there's nothing. Look, I touch everything. Blah, 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 blah. Nothing happens. So, oh my goodness. I said don't step on that, and then I was literally almost about to step on it. Oh, now there's a bright daylight. Then there's over here. I'm giving you like a trip on Animal Company. And then if you guys want to download it on your VR. And also it's free. It's free. I was in shock when this game was free because it's amazing. Just like Gorilla Tag. Oh no. Bro. See, it's a little hard to put things in your backpack. Yo, I'll bring the radio with me. Oh, yeah. We vibing. So it is. Oh. Alright. Alright, buddy. They're like $13 each. W's. Bruh. Oh, now it's 70. Okay. Then there's a maze that I haven't solved. I mean, like, I've been in it, but I haven't like checked it out. And there is a monster in here. I think I should have got a flashlight. Not gonna lie. Should I go get one right now? Yeah. Small one though, not the big ones. I mean, the big ones would be amazing because it gives so much more light. But it's way more expensive. I'm just gonna. And there's a flare gun too. Bro, you know what's so annoying? When I played this game, I was trying to sell stuff right there. It was a golden egg that is one of the most expensive things like you could sell. Guess what, bro? Somebody threw a grenade at me and blew me up. Like, what did I do? There is items in here, but it's creepy. You might just see a monster. I'm good, bro. I think I'm good. And oh yeah, there's red light, green light, like Squid Game. Over here. Alright, let's go. Ooh. See, look. It's on green now. You move. It's on red. Stay. On green. I'm scared. It's the fish! It's the... Get him on high ground. I have to get him on high ground. I can't see anything. Backpack! You're selling! Ouch! My freaking backpack sold! Man, frick you, backpack! Oh my. Yeah, there is a fish that can just be anywhere and it follows you. See, you see how this says safe zone? It can come in here, but it cannot kill you. But it's just mad annoying because it camps. Alright, how much money I got? Alright. Okay. Next. Where to go? Oh yeah, I can show you guys the fan art. Here's some fan art. Yeah, that's from the red light, green light. That's a monkey. That's Eve. Yee. I want you guys to say what's your favorite one out of all of these. So all of these, tell me what's your favorite one. Okay. There's those ones. That one's pretty nice. Oh, that one's sick. Oh, that was cool too. Alright. I'll give you a quick look at all of it. Let me just back up so you guys can see. Alright. Done? Alright. And if you didn't have enough time to look at all of them, just pause the video. Okay, I think that's all that I really know so far. Like, I think that's all that I really know so far. Before I go, though, might as well just sell myself, you know. No, I couldn't get in. Yeah, you can't sell you can't, but you'll die if you try selling, if somebody tries selling. There's an iPad, which I think is really cool. I haven't bought it yet because it's super expensive. There's a shotgun, which I don't have enough for. The flare gun is pretty cool. Okay, since I'm doing this for you guys. You see, okay, so grenade. So look, I troll people with this. Take off the pin.
Hey guys.
You want this? Anyone want this mystery backpack?
He told me to.
You want this mystery backpack?
Yo, sup?
Yo, you want this backpack?
Yeah, I got it. I got the mods.
Yo, you want this backpack?
Gabe.
Whoa, buddy. I'm doing a YouTube video right now. Just give me a second.
I don't know how to control the mods.
Alright, so I love trolling people with this. I'll open the backpack.
All enabled?
Yo, you want this backpack?
Even in private servers?
Yo, you want this backpack? You want this backpack, bro?
Green. Not you.
Oh.
Green.
We're all green.
Oh.
Alright, so look. Here's what I do. So I place it on the ground. Somebody, at least one person always comes to the backpack, picks it up, and then just tries emptying it out, see what's inside. Then this is what happens. Oh! Look. Yeah, that's what happens. They open the backpack, try emptying it, and
Can y'all hear this? Can y'all guys hear this? Yes or no?
So 7 what?
Alright, I'm doing a different code now. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video, and I wish you guys could see, bro, that download this game and see how jiggly the monkey's yachts are. Oh my goodness, bro. I don't know why the people who made this game did that, but I think it's mad funny. When they run like this, all their booty just jiggles, bro. It's not even funny, bro. It's just, bro. I bet there might be one fan art here that's showing that. Oh my goodness! Right there, bro. Bro. Alright. That's the end of the video, guys. Bye. Toodles!